can, I will, I must. I can, I will, I must. Say it loud. I can, I will, I must. I can, I will, I must. I can, I will. The voices of giving up will come up. The feeling of frustration will come up. The voice of self-doubt will come up. Remember, only through experiences we can rewrite. Yeah? We can rewrite that information. You will face a lot of pain in this exercise. You will face a lot of self-doubt in this exercise, and the voices of quitting will come up. You don't have to be the best at something. There's no problem, you know. You can increase day by day, month by month. But the worst thing you can do for yourself, for your confidence, for your whole personality is quitting. You can rest, but you don't quit. I can. I will. I must. I can. I will. I must.
I learned a lot of things about myself in the past few days.
And it's really humbling to be able to join this and to make it.
It was a great journey. I felt like I'm on the right path.
This would be better for us.
At the end of the day, it's you who you should listen to.
This training taught me to think of myself.
There's always that sweet victory after completing those.
After the 4 days, I just didn't know how more capable I am of doing things, of believing myself.
I'm very energized in a good way, in a positive way.
Instead of begging people to love me, I give the love to myself.
Having you guys around is kind of an inspiration to a lot of us, I think. We look up to you guys.